Did you know that when a sea cucumber feels threatened, it can literally expel its guts? These soft-bodied ocean creatures eject most of their internal organs, intestines, respiratory gills, and more in a desperate escape tactic. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. They survive it, and they grow it all back. When attacked, a sea cucumber contracts its body muscles and forces its internal organs out through either its mouth or its rear end, depending on the species. The entire evisceration process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to 12 hours. The expelled organs distract the predator while the sea cucumber slowly crawls away to safety. But the real miracle happens next. Sea cucumbers possess special cells that can dedifferentiate, meaning they stop doing their current job and become capable of becoming anything the body needs. These cells migrate to the wound site and begin rebuilding the lost organs from scratch, starting with the digestive tract. The regeneration speed is astounding. Some sea cucumber species can fully restore their intestines and organs in as little as 7 days. Others take up to 145 days, depending on the species and which organs were lost. Within a few weeks, the sea cucumber is completely restored and ready to survive another encounter. Scientists are obsessed with sea cucumber regeneration because if we could unlock how their cells dedifferentiate, we might one day help humans regrow lost limbs or repair spinal injuries. A creature named after a vegetable might hold the key to revolutionary medicine. Want to learn more mind-bending facts about nature? Visit Sikho.ai for incredible discoveries every single day.